So, hi there. I am here with my house, my dollhouse, for 18-inch American Girl dolls. And me and my dad made it and painted it and textured it and floored it and stuff. And I'm going to give you a tour. Of course, there's no furniture in it, but that will be changed soon and my dolls will move in soon. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay. Don't mind the little mess. I mean, all garages are a little messy, but okay, let's start at the bottom floor. This is the bottom floor. It's wood floored. We painted it blue, and all the rooms are textured. And this is going to be the living room. And we have tap lights in all rooms, which are basically just lights that you tap to turn on and off. This is, sorry, I had to move some things out. This is going to be the kitchen. It's wood floored. The whole bottom floor is wood floored. And it's kind of this, I don't know, whitish color, you could say. It has a tap light too, but I'm not going to turn that on because it might waste the batteries. This is the doorway. We were going to put doors in, but it would be hard to make it swinging, so we're just going to leave a door hole, I'm pretty sure. This is the upstairs bedroom. It has a tap light. Oh, and all ceilings are painted white. And it's kind of this bluish color, and it's carpeted. Oh, and that's going to be the bedroom. This is the middle floor. It is yellow, and it's textured, and it has a tap light up there. And then we bought these stick-on tiles at I think Lowe's for $1 each, and we just stuck them on. And this one was popping up, so we put a little hot glue in there, and then we put a weight on it. And then this is going to be the bathroom. It's blue walls, and it has a tap light. And these are actually samples for colors, and you can't notice, but they're textured. And there's a few extras, so you could see them up close. This is an extra of this color, I'm pretty sure. And it's textured, and it's kind of speckled and stuff, and we use those for the tiles. And the good thing is we didn't have to spend any money on the flooring. And yeah, it has a tap light. And then this is an attic, and it has a top light, and it's white walls, and then this kind of off-white color for the ground or the floor. And yeah, it is, I believe, all the rooms are 18 inches deep, and it's 5.5 feet long, and since I'm 4 foot, I don't know, 5 maybe, it's taller than me. My head goes up to here, so it's a little over 4 feet, I believe. It's 60-something inches tall, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, that is my house. And also, this is the roof. What my dad did is he painted it white, and then he painted it like a charcoal gray, and then he used this board with nails right here, and he scraped off some of the paint to make it look like shingles. And then also down here, you saw me move this. It was actually a carpet sampling when we got this stuff cut that looks like grass. But when we move this into my closet, I'm going to put the grassy stuff right next to it, and it's going to be the yard. It's called AstroTurf. Yeah, but that's a carpet sampling, and I thought it would make a good rug. And I got some few others in different colors. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and watch more follow-up videos on how I decorate this and moving in and stuff. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up with pink nail polish. And yeah, bye!